Hi, my name is Marcelo. I'm from the Planet of Love, and I love the Caipirinha Appreciation Society.
Eu já tenho tudo pra essa nega, hein? O que ela quer mais, compadre? Assiste, paizinho!
Hello, dear listener of the Caipirinha Appreciation Society. I am MDC Swingy.
I am Kika Serra.
And we are here to present you 2 hours of Brazilian music beyond the cliches. Today we have a couple of new bands of new material that we are going to release. It will be a kind of a experimental rock and roll show, all right?
The bands aren't really that new. They're out with new material.
Yeah.
And we're going to try a little new format here in the live broadcast of the Caipirinha Appreciation Society from Contrabando FM Barcelona, and which you guys will enjoy also in the podcast.
Yes. So let's start the show with a traditional experimental band that everybody knows here. It will be Mutantes.
Is it traditional or is it experimental?
Well, it's traditionally experimental. What do you think? Let me find it. Yeah.
Now that's a tradition. We're having a hard time finding it.
Oh,
Go!
Vai Nesse dia cinza em que as pessoas passam vestidas de chuva, sem falar. Nessas vidas mudas houve sonhos, choros, que minha vidraça vai embaçar. Casas desbotadas como manchas tristes daquela roupa que não se usa mais. Tudo neste dia está envelhecido, como aquele jeito de cantar. Onde estará você, meu amor? Onde estará você? De sempre a velha poesia, em 78 rotações. O tempo nublado, minha voz chamando pelo seu sorriso que foi com o sol. Onde estará você, meu amor? Onde estará você, meu amor? Onde estará você, meu amor? Onde estará você?
Yes, we started the show with a track Apocalypse from a single by Os Mutantes.
It's such a quiet, calm song. It's strange, no? It doesn't sound like the apocalypse is coming.
No,
I'm not. I don't know what the lyrics are about. I didn't. I couldn't catch them, but it's. I thought of it when we were hearing. It's such a lovely little sweet sounding song, and it's about the apocalypse.
And the second one is Andrea Dias with the track Tempo Nublado, which is related to Mutantes also, because it's from the first albums of Italy. Yes. So guys, as you can see, it will be a show with I don't think we will have any samba today. Well, but sometimes that happens, isn't it?
Of course.
Guys, look who is back since the beginning.
Hi. Remember me?
Yeah. Kika Serra concluded her job, at least the big chunk of it, and now she will be.
You're going to have to bear with me.
Yeah. We missed you, girl. Yeah. Well, so today we are going to present to you guys two new records. One is by a band called O Preto, O Branco e O Índio, which they are in the second album with a new formation now. They are releasing this album this week. And
they've been releasing tracks, and now they're releasing the full album.
Yeah, and we're gonna show you some of the tracks, and we are also presenting you the new album by the band. The album by Preto e Branco is called Plantas Renováveis. Okay, and
Renewable plants.
renewable plants, yeah. And we are also going to show you the new album by The Baggios. Or The Baggios, no, it's Italian, yeah. Which is called Vulcão. Butter, and we are going to interview one of the members of the band, O Branco e o Índio, which for him to explain exactly what are the influences, because there are so many influences in this band, and the sound is so broad, that we need to some explanations from this gentleman. So we are going to call Brazil. It will be a transatlantic interview.
Yes, it's kind of a first, not entirely. Having an interview is not completely new because we've had interviews in the studio before. We had Magabo just a couple of weeks ago. And we've had transatlantic calls also connecting us, but not for an interview with an artist. That we haven't done. So I don't know if that works. We might implement it more often. Let's try today. It's a bit of an experiment.
Yeah. So let's play first a track by our friends from O Branco e o Índio. Okay, this track is called Orelha Negra. Let's go.
Orelha negra, orelha negra, orelha negra, orelha negra. Nunca quis ser assim, mas é o que temos pra hoje. Orelha negra, orelha negra, orelha negra, orelha negra. Nunca siga minhas pegadas, não, mas minha orelha não posso conter. Fique calmo que seus sonhos vão vir. Tranquilo, você vai ficar no mundo. Vou sair pra passear, mas algumas lágrimas hei de perder. Orelha negra, não é preciso. Orelha negra é relativo. Não me custa ser seu inimigo, só quero sempre ser seu amigo. Me desculpe pelos caminhos tortos, passado é sempre reescrito. A história é feita de contrastes, o som varia a pressão do ar. Orelha negra, não é preciso. Orelha negra é relativo.
Yes, this is the Caipirinha Appreciation Society show. Let's see if we can have any sign of life. Yes, it's calling. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
I would talk, but I can't hear anything. Can you hear us, Pedro?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, but
Loud and clear.
Okay, so we have placed a transatlantic call here to speak with a member of the band. We just played this the song Orelha Negra by O Branco e o Índio, and we're speaking to Pedro Serra in his as a DJ he calls himself Preto Serra. Pedro, the band existed before you joined, right?
Yes. The band started in 2016, and but they used to be a duo, an experimental noise duo, instrumental. Mm-hmm. And in last year, in 2017, they called me in, and the bassist Roberto Souza, so that we would steer the band into a more pop direction. And so now we have singing lyrics and more pop tunes, although they're quite experimental still.
Ah, of course. And you didn't think of changing the name?
No.
You didn't think of changing the name to O Preto e o Índio?
O branco, o preto e o branco.
O branco, o preto e o índio.
No. Just the names stay the same, and they put out one album before, one CD before that has the same name, but it's totally different. The sound is totally different.
Okay, and so it's just the three of you now. No invited musicians.
No, there's four of us.
The four
there's
of you.
Two guitar. Yeah.
Okay, so give us their names. What's the formation exactly?
Okay, the original two is Flávio Ades and Bruno Rezende, who both play guitar and sing. And then there is the bassist Roberto Souza, and I play the drums.
Right. Just so you guys know, Flávio Abis has been in other projects before. He's a very talented musician. And Pedro has played with him before also, right?
Yes. I used to have a band I actually had two bands. No, I actually had three bands.
How many bands did you have, man?
In the end of the... two in the 2004 or something. No, even before that. At the end of the 1990s. Yes, it was quite a long time ago. And I have known him for all this time. But we had one band called Minha Mãe, or My Mother,
mm-hmm.
And then we have. And then I played in a band called Abis, which is his last name, with great bassist Claudia Niemeyer, who played in a couple of excellent Rita Lee albums in the 80s, in the beginning of the 80s.
Okay.
And the album is really good, but...
Yes, you guys, our listeners have heard it here in the Caipirinha Appreciation Society show.
Yeah.
Including Minha Mãe, more rarely,
Yeah.
but it has been here before.
Pede para ele sugerir uma música agora do disco.
Okay, so before we continue, we're going to play another song from the album. We've just played Orelha Negra, which is a really good wordplay, guys, because Ovelha Negra is how we call black sheep.
Yeah.
So they just changed one letter and turned it into a black ear, which is excellent. Now, what song do you suggest that we play now from the album? From the new album?
I suggest our first single that's called Golden Goal, which is a very different tune because it's almost instrumental. The lyrics are very small. And it goes, and the song changes drastically 3 times during the same song.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go, O Branco e o Índio, here at the Caipirinha Appreciation Society show. Yes, you just heard the track Golden Go by O Branco e o Índio, track suggested by the drummer of the band that we are interviewing here via telephone.
Yes, a good old regular phone call. Yes, we're making it through a regular cell phone call, but it does sound, but it gives it a vintagey feel. We're into, the correspondent in the news that we call in from a payphone somewhere. Calling from Russia. So
Vietnam. All right. So let's play, as we were talking about the previous bands. We have a track here by Abyss, right? And this track is has got the name of the track and everything, and the name of the band, and it's written there, Kika Cuts.
Oh, because it was one of my...
Yeah.
A long time ago,
Long
I
time.
introduced Abyss to the Caipirinha Appreciation Society. Wow.
Yeah. Let's go. Abyss, pensamento inconstante flutuante.
Eu quero escrever uma canção de amor antes que ela fuja. Ela está ao meu alcance antes. Pensamento inconstante, flutuante, flutuante. Eu quero escrever uma canção de amor antes que ela fuja. Ela está ao meu alcance antes. Pensamento inconstante, flutuante, flutuante. Eu vou lembrar de dizer que nunca mais eu penso, eu vivo sem você. Eu vou lembrar de dizer que nunca mais eu penso, eu vivo sem você. Essa música que não parou, essa nota que não completou, esse meu desejo de falar, esse meu desejo de amar. Eu vou lembrar de dizer que nunca mais eu penso, eu vivo sem você. Eu vou lembrar de dizer que nunca mais eu penso, eu vivo sem você. Eu quero escrever uma canção de amor antes que ela fuja. Ela está ao meu alcance antes. Pensamento inconstante, flutuante, flutuante. Eu vou lembrar de dizer que nunca mais eu penso, eu vivo sem você. Eu vou lembrar de dizer que nunca mais eu penso, eu vivo sem você, sem você, sem você. Eu vou lembrar de dizer que nunca mais eu penso, eu vivo sem você.
It is time for you to learn what you heard here in the first half an hour of the program Caipirinha Appreciation Society. We began this section with Apocalipse by Mutantes.
That was followed by Tempo Nublado by Andrea Dias.
Next was Orelha Negra by O Branco e o Índio.
Also by O Branco e o Índio, we had Golden Gold.
And the last one was Pensamentos Inconstantes Flutuantes by Abyss. So, you are listening to the Caipirinha Appreciation Society show, and let's keep on this show with Juvenil Silva. The track is called Bodeado. Oi.
E acordo babão. Eu acordo. E eu quero dançar até o sol. Ai, ai. Quero acompanhar amigos de nós. E eu quero dançar ao som do rock and roll.
All right, that was Juvenil Silva here at the Caipirinha Appreciation Society with the track Bodeado. So let's keep on with the premieres here in our show. Now it's the time for us to play a little bit of the new album by The Bajos called Vulcão. It's the fourth album of this group, and this time they are coming with many influences, not just rock and roll. They have Afrobeat, they have Turkish music, they have...
yes, it was a really unpredictable twist, that song.
Yes,
Yeah.
it is.
Let's play it before the end of the show.
Yeah. And but let's start with the track Caldeirão das Bruxas by The Bajo, the band from Sergipe. Let's go.
Eu me sinto velho animal. Tomei meus remédios, dormi mal. Acudi estranhos, senti febre e resisti. Forças que me atingem temporal.
Yes, you always hear that old discussion, what has become of rock And is rock decadent music or anything like that? And it's really weird because it's rock is like samba. It's a broad definition, and you cannot really say rock is dead because people are still experimenting. And some of the most traditional rock lovers, they don't consider those experimentations, isn't it?
Yeah, broad discussion. Because rock, by definition, is a simple structure, and then usually the cycle is it goes more and more and more complicated, and then it goes back to the simple structure. Then it goes more and more and more complicated, like a pulsating. But when we did a documentary about rock, about Brazilian rock, some 10 years ago now, Pedro Serra, who we're interviewing in this show, was the editor of that project. One thesis that came up in the interviews was that while there are adolescents in the world, rock and roll will exist. There will be rock and roll. But the interesting thing though is I have a younger brother, my youngest brother, who lives in San Francisco, who's very much into experimental music, and he came with us to Granada early this year, early 2018. We DJ'd in Planta Baja in Granada, and MDC Swinger was playing the Bajos, and he asked, "What's this band?" And I said, "Oh, the Bajos, they're really good." And he goes, I ultimately, your taste, it comes down, what the Caipirinha Appreciation Society is about, comes down to a question of taste. Yeah. Because what these guys are doing is really good, but it's using a vocabulary that is completely pre-existent. They're not inventing the wheel in any sense. So
in this track, you have a little bit of samba that it's even though it's
samba?
Not. Yes, the beginning is a little
samba beat.
Samba beat, yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And right. So what else shall we play? Let's play Graxa.
Okay.
Acho que esse domingo eu vou ficar triste.
Okay, go ahead.
I think this Sunday I'm going to be sad.
I was sad a few Sundays ago, but we promised we weren't going to talk about that
don't
subject.
Don't talk about it. Oi. Let's play something else. Graxa, acho que nesse domingo eu vou ficar triste.
Acho que nesse domingo eu vou ficar triste. Quando bateu umas 5:30 da tarde, eu vou sentir a segunda soprando aqui no meu cangote. Provavelmente eu já vou estar cansado e bebido. Quem sabe até telefonado ou quem sabe atendido. Algum telefonema de um dos meus velhos amigos que bebem cativos no mesmo instante que eu. Me perguntando, nego, e esse finzinho de tarde? Não sei se eu minto ou no caso se eu digo a verdade. Acho que ainda tenho 5 contos aqui no meu bolso. E como eu sou em mais de um vício viciado, vou ter que decidir então se eu bebo ou se eu trago. Como eu já tô embriagado, decido entrar altivo. No bolso eu volto soltando fumaça, já que a boca tá aberta. Soltando fumaça, já que a boca tá aberta.
You were listening to the Caipirinha Appreciation Society show at Radio Contrabanda 91.4 FM Barcelona.
Olha ao meu redor, as pessoas sentadas no restaurante, todas policiais. Eu não fiz nada demais e nem precisava ter feito. Qualquer deslize é um defeito. Eles sabem o que fazem, mas dizem não saber. Todos vigilantes, suas vozes cochichando soam como alto-falantes. Tem alguém no elevador, ele me espia de canto. Claramente a paisana. Quando eu encaro de volta, ele desvia e disfarça quem ele acha que engana. Eles não sabem mais, acham que sabem demais. Todos são agentes, nem querendo eles enxergam através de suas lentes. Perseguido por sua mira, mas não olho pra trás. Se te dou o meu desprezo, sua suspeita satisfaz. Pois afinal são todos policiais. São todos policiais. Todos policiais. Todos policiais.
You just heard the track Todos Policiais by Garotas Suecas, which is they are talking about plainclothes policeman that usually goes around the night spots and everything. And me and Kika, we have a trauma.
Exactly. I don't know, because we're middle-aged people who don't realize what their age is, I guess.
Yeah.
And we hang out with the young ones. We go to these bars sometimes and we think everyone's looking at us. And so we have this theory that they just think we're
No, it's not
cops.
this theory. More than once in Brazil, and that was 10 years ago, people approached me saying, "You think I don't know you're a cop?" Well, the mustache didn't help, did it?
No.
When
Kind
the
of
ti-
gives
in
you
a
away.
time where no one were using mustaches and everything, I had a mustache, a big one, and I would get.
You're the bad cop, I'm the good one.
Yeah, no, I want to be the good cop. You know, girls are better cops than boys, you know.
All right.
Let's play one more track by O Branco e o Índio now, okay? Let's go with Espaço Escasso, and then we are going to call this Pedro for a little bit more chat with about the band. Let's go. Get ready, Pedro. Let's try contact with Mr. Pedro. Let's see.
It's calling.
Is it calling? Yes, it's calling. It's calling, it's calling, it's calling. It's the transatlantic call. We are still in the middle of mid-Atlantic.
Yes, there he is. There he is, there he is. So welcome back to the Caipirinha Appreciation Society. We're talking on the phone with Preto Serra. We tried to turn the volume down a bit because in our last attempt, it was a bit distorted, but I think I'm going to put it up a tiny bit because now it's sounding too low. Say something, Pedro. Hello.
Hello there.
Hello there.
Are you listening to me?
Yeah.
Yes, we're
Are you ready
listening.
to rock?
Yeah! Oh, yeah!
Okay, so we just heard the song Espaço Escasso by O Branco e o Índio. And this is a really difficult question to any band these days, but I always ask it just to make you suffer. How can you define the music? There was a funny definition I think I read in one of your releases. How do you describe the sound of O Branco e o Índio?
Well, we like to say we play indie. No, sorry, that's the other band. Art rock, experimental pop.
Yes, that's a good definition.
What were the first words? Experimental pop?
Art rock.
Art rock. Interesting.
Yeah, like like the rock they used to do in New York. In the beginning, in the late 70s, beginning 80s, like Talking Heads, television, stuff like that.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
No, very interesting.
And one question, this is the second album of the band, isn't it?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
It was the second album, this one we were listening to today. There was just one before, right?
Yes, there was one before, but it's totally unlike this one. It's like only noise experimental sounds.
Apart from the drummer of the band, you are also the kind of executive producer or something. You're taking care of promoting the album.
Yes, I'm like the man behind the computer, sending stuff all over the world. Last week, the song played in Marrakesh.
Oh, excellent! Excellent. And that's what I was going to ask. Sort of, how is it being received?
Sorry,
how are people reacting to it? There was a
oh yeah, so we've been having some great
reviews,
responses, and some reviews too, and even abroad. There's this radio station KEXP from Seattle that has those great concerts. They played the song. They played what did they play? I don't know. Golden Goal, I think. And there's some stations in Argentina, and there's another one in Spain, and Marrakesh, and Mexico, and it's
great.
And
how about?
Because I think it's. Sorry.
How about live presentations? Have you
live? Yes, we're going to play the concert for the release of the album. The CDs just arrived, and we're going to play next week on November 22nd on Thursday at Audio Rebel, which is like one of the best places here for new music in Rio.
Mm-hmm.
And we're planning we're playing Sebo Baratos da Ribeiro on December, and we're planning a small tour in São Paulo in January.
Excellent.
Oh, very good, very good. Ask him one track to be the next one to be played.
Okay.
You have to ask him.
Yes, I'm asking.
List.
So, what track do you suggest we play next from the album?
Oh,
Played,
I don't know.
It's going to be the fourth. We played Orelha Negra, Golden Goal, Espaço Escasso. Now?
Yeah, I guess. I don't know. Maybe the new one that's we're just releasing today. It's called Nonato. It's a kind of a weird mix between the krautrock band Noi and João Donato, the
Okay.
pianist and composer. So Nonato.
Perfect.
Just 1 second. Where are we? Nonato.
Oh, by the way,
Yes.
I love the show. You're playing some really great bands. I love Graxa and the Badgers and Garota Sueca is really excellent.
So
we had to put you in good company, isn't it?
yes, you're in good company.
So let's go, Nonato, o branco e o índio.
Okay, we'll call you later. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Get your pen and paper. You're gonna learn what you've heard here in the second half an hour of the program Caipirinha Appreciation Society. We began this section with Bodeado by Juvenil Silva.
That was followed by Caldeirão das Bruxas by The Badios.
Next was Acho que nesse domingo eu vou ficar triste by Graxa.
Then, Todos Policiais by Garotas Suecas.
Next was Espaço Escasso by O Branco e o Índio.
And again, O Branco e o Índio with Nonato.
Yes, so this is the Caipirinha Appreciation Society show. And here we go to our little political interference.
Ao lembrar da dita cuja, que foi minha namorada, não sei bem o que eu sinto, acho que eu não sinto nada. Eu relembro os maus momentos que com ela eu passava, e por mais que evitasse, sempre em briga terminava. Eia, 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 eia. Era assim o nosso amor. Eia, 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 eia. Ainda bem que terminou. Quando ela me dizia, meu bem, vamos passear, uma grana exagerada eu tratava de arranjar. Era doce, era chiclete, sanduíche, guaraná, fora o que ela embrulhava para em casa devorar. Eia, 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 eia. Era assim o nosso amor. Eia, 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 eia. Ainda bem que terminou. Era fã de luta livre, futebol ela adorava, tinha uma motocicleta e cachimbo ela fumava. Teve fim nosso romance quando eu fiquei sabendo que judô e karatê ela estava aprendendo. Eia, 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 eia. Era assim o nosso amor. Eia, 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 eia. Ainda bem que terminou. Até hoje, eu não sei como é que eu fui arrumar uma mina dessa forma. Fominha, briguenta, e além de tudo, ainda quer me destruir no karatê e no judô. Mora, não dá pé. Eia, 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 eia. Era assim o nosso amor. Eia, 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 eia. Ainda bem que terminou. Eia, eia.
Rádio Contrabanda 91.4 FM Barcelona. Yes, this little session goes to the people from go for Fernanda Lima, isn't it? That had trouble because she played this song in a TV show with an introduction with a poem about freedom of girls, feminism, and everything in these new times that we are living in Brazil. You know, and the first one is called Dita Cuja. The song is about a girl that is a difficult girl. She was learning judo and karate, and that was interfering in their relationship.
It's a really funny song.
Yeah.
I don't know where you got that one from. Listen, guys, today, because we're doing this little experiment of a phone interview during the show, things are a little complicated because we have to plug a phone, and then I have to speak on the phone and at the microphone at the same time, and I hear the person who's calling me on the headphone and not on the phone itself. It's a little bit too much for my limited abilities here, and so it's difficult to monitor our listenership live. But I've posted a couple of pictures on Instagram, on my personal profile, MDC Swingy's profile, and Raul Suete liked every single one. So I can only presume that he's listening.
Yeah, I hope so.
I hope so. A big kiss to Raul. Thanks for listening to the live broadcast. And guys, it's always a lot of fun to interact with you during the live broadcast. Of course, the CAS has been a podcast for a very long time, and we enjoy posting it there, and then the way it reaches the four corners of the globe. But if you're able to tune in on Tuesdays from 6 to 8 p.m. in Spanish time, which is GMT +2, I think.
Yeah. And in Brazil now it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Okay.
I mean, the show begins at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
So it's always a lot of fun. Announce yourself somewhere in the our network so we can know you're listening. And another thing, guys, we are posting in our blog the complete playlists of the shows, and so every show that we put on the podcast now has got a little related blog post where you can find the complete playlist, where you can find a little bit about what we are talking about, a little more complete than the introduction that you have in the podcast, actual podcast, and plus a bit, plus a mais, as we say in Brazil, all right? We put some video clips for you to have an idea of how the artists look like, isn't it? Exactly, and we've been doing it consistently for a few weeks now, so we finally incorporated it into our routine of posting the show, and it's always some extra content for you. So you can
find a link to the bands that we are posting, talking about the main ones, where sometimes you can even find the album. All right, so that's it. Let's keep on the show with a track by a guy called Clayton Rolo. Eu quero rotular você.
Indelicada, teimosa e errada de se entreter. não para, não consigo esquecer.
você. Yes, this is the Caipirinha Appreciation Society show here at Radio Contrabanda 91.4 FM Barcelona. You just heard the track Eu Quero Rotular Você by Clayton Rolo. And now let's go with two tracks by The Badgers from the latest album called Vulcão. It is very good. I recommend you guys to look for it. Tomorrow we're going to play a little bit more of them in Caipirinha Libre in our show in Portuñol that goes on exactly at the same time from 6 to 8 Barcelona time, but it's on Wednesdays, okay? And this is in Portuñol Espanhol. It's not Spanglish, it's
Portuguese.
Portuguese is good.
No?
Portuguese. yeah.
Guys, just another hello here to be sent to my father.
All right.
Who just joined us. We were playing the Mutantes track when he came in, but it's never too late. It's a 2-hour show, and anytime you join us, it always makes us happy.
So let's go now with...
and Pedro's coming back soon, okay? I promise.
Yeah. Let's go now with the Espada de São Jorge by The Badgers.
Estão virando carniça ou qualquer coisa que não cheira bem. Me querem mudo, perigão. Tá tudo escuro, não enxergo bem. Reclamam tanto, se xingam, vomitam textos para seduzir. Eu sinto muito preguiça, não mordo a isca, não me entrego assim. Rezam pra si, não por nós. Eles que se e de nós, ó pregação zumbi. Se querem seu bem, se eu tento escutar, você não está bem. Se torço o nariz, querem me caçar, ainda não está bem. Quase me rendi, tentei ajudar, venha pelo seu bem. Mas já desisti, são chato demais, ainda não está bem. Muita lama nessa vida,
Yes, that was the track Espada de São Jorge. Here at Radio Contrabanda 91.4 FM Barcelona and
By
Brazil.
the band The Bagios,
The Bagios.
from São Cristóvão, Sergipe. And we're going to go make another call across the ocean to Pedro Serra.
I think it is in Açores now. The call.
Hello.
Hello, yeah.
Okay.
Oi,
So we've got
Oi.
okay, that little maneuver here to get everything right. I talked to him on one ear and listened to him on the another one. It's just a bit of... But here we are. Pedro, what do you think of the Bagios?
Sorry?
What do you think of the Bagios, the new Bagios album? Have you heard it?
Well, no, I was just listening to it for the first time on the show. Well, I think it's their best work so far. It's really, really good.
Yes, they've incorporated new musicians. The Bagios had a really interesting formation. It was a duo, like the original O Preto e o Índio, but
O Branco e o Índio.
O Branco. Dear me, I'm sorry. I'm going to get it wrong for the rest of my life now that you've joined the band. And so it was the drums and guitar. When we saw them in Rio, because we saw them in Rio once with you, it was the duo still, no? Just the two of them.
Yes, it was.
Yeah?
It was.
And but now they've got, there are four of them.
No, the three of them.
On this album.
This album, just three of them. Yeah, they just incorporated.
There's a keyboardist.
Keyboard.
Right?
Yeah,
Yes,
yes, exactly.
But still no bass. Anyway, a very, very good album just out. So we're exploring the two, o Branco e o Índio, and the Bagios in a little phone experiment here. So someone who just joined a few moments ago was Sérgio Serra. You can say hello to him on air now.
Oi, pai.
And
hello, mamãe.
And I guess we will say goodbye for this show, or are we still going to make another call later on?
We can make another call. Let's see.
Okay, we've chosen the track that we want to play from the album. Say something about it. We've chosen
Transferência de Plantas Renováveis, which gives the title. It's a title track, isn't it?
Transferência de Plantas Renováveis. Now, that's a strange title. Where the hell does that come from?
Well, the name of the album is Plantas Renováveis.
Uh-huh.
Right? And there are two songs about it. One is Transferência das Plantas Renováveis, and the other one is Releitura das Plantas Renováveis.
Mm-hmm.
But I have no clue what it means.
Who writes the lyrics?
Well, the songs are some of the songs are written by Flávio Abes, and some of the songs are written by Bruno Rezende, and some of them are a collaboration between both of them.
Oh, okay.
And the singers, who are the singers?
And the two of them sing also, right?
Yes, the two of them sing, yes.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So, is that Transferência de Plantas Renováveis has got a kind of a disco bass?
MDC Swingy, I have to repeat his questions because Pedro can't hear him. It's a complicated affair.
I can't.
So, did you hear that? He thinks there's a disco. Is that is MDC Swingy hallucinating, or is there a disco bass in the song?
Yeah, it's a little bit disco, a little bit Stereo Lab, a little bit, because this song, I was just thinking about it the other day. It's like it's the same beat throughout the song. The only thing that changes is the bass drum, but it's the same beat.
Uh-huh. It's constant.
So it's kind of a disco. It's kind of a disco Stereo Lab thing. Yeah.
All right.
Interesting. So let's listen to that, and in the last quarter of the show, we'll give you a last call. so we can say
Okay.
goodbye. Okay?
All
You're listening to
right.
the Caipirinha Appreciation Society, and now...
We love
Transferência.
you, Barcelona!
Yay!
Sem transferência, com atenção, coloco as suas coisas no vão. Alto, paquetar, coisas eu ouvi. Plantas, algumas do sul, renováveis, do Pará ou Paraná para cá. Eu vou aterrissar e voar para a Finlândia ou Canadá. Sem transferência, com atenção, coloco as suas coisas no vão. Dois, três, quatro, cinco, seis, sete.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Caras, by surprise. Oh my god. This should be swinga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is time for you to learn what you've heard here in the third half an hour of the program, Caipirinha Appreciation Society. We began this section with
Ditacuja by Nicolás Mariano.
Next was Mutantes with Top.
Then Eu Quero Rotular Você by Clayton Rolo.
Next was Espada de São Jorge por The Badgers.
And the last one, the Disco-ish Transferência das Plantas Renováveis by O Branco e O Índio.
Yes, let's go now. Cabeça de Panda.
Sorte sem direção, forte segue a marcha, maltratando o meu chão, esmagando escolhas, feito folhas secas. Conviver é sumir, pode até pensar xepa da feira, desvio dos bueiros até se desfazer o que eu pensava preservar. Mas eu espero que alguém no meio da tempestade me veja no meio fio e faça um resgate. Eu sigo pilotando todos os sentimentos. Se fosse mais um filme, mas é a vida aqui dentro. Chegando nesse estado, num barco de papel, eu entrei pra navegar. Vou pela xepa da feira, desvio dos bueiros até se desfazer o que eu pensava preservar. Mas eu espero que alguém no meio da tempestade me veja no meio fio e faça um resgate. Eu sigo navegando todos os sentimentos. Se fosse mais um filme, mas é a vida aqui dentro. Eu sou aquele cara que morreu. Ah, eu sou aquele cara que morreu. No seu lugar sou eu. Mais uma cara morta, desprendida. Mais uma pela porta do tempo engolida. Mais uma cara morta, desprendida. Mas eu espero que alguém no meio da tempestade me veja no meio fio e faça um resgate. Eu sigo navegando todos os sentimentos. Se fosse mais um filme, mas é a vida aqui dentro. Eu sou aquele cara que morreu. Ah, eu sou aquele cara que morreu. No seu lugar sou eu. Mais uma cara morta, desprendida. Mais uma pela porta do tempo engolida. Mais uma cara morta, desprendida.
That's what I call a messy end of a song, isn't it? That was the band called Tono with the track Aquele Cara. And guys and girls, I have some news for you. If you are going to spend the New Year's Eve in Brazil, in Rio de Janeiro, we are going to spoil it, all right? We are going to spoil your party, your New Year's Eve party. Because we're going to have a party on the 29th, okay, of December. And after our party, any New Year's Eve party will be a flop.
Will shrink into significance.
Yeah.
Now, there's not only that, but there's on the 31st of December, on the actual turn of the year, there's not much to celebrate because the following day is like the new president will actually take office.
Yeah, office.
Will take office and be inaugurated. And the new governor too. Okay, but we promised we wouldn't go to talk about it. So anyway, on the 29th, that it's still
you can still wake up with a hangover in a democracy.
Exactly.
It's like you can go down to buy your Engov and not be risk to be lynched or something like that by a mob of fascists and Nazis and everything.
But anyway, do make a note of it. It's the 29th of December in Casa Porto. We're going to probably start early so we can have
2 shifts.
2 shifts, you know. Those
yeah.
of you who are not into going into the night, you can come a bit earlier and enjoy some caipirinhas with us, and then we'll continue.
If you have kids and everything. But after midnight, we will release our demons, our musical demons. Yes. So let's keep on this show now with more of the Badgers from the new record called Vulcão. And this track is called Deserto and features Baiana System. Let's go.
Olhos de vidro decoram o vestido de Dona Maria. É besoura, tesouro, é panela vazia. É tesoura, é besouro, é panela vazia. 400 olhos de vidro decoram o vestido de Dona Maria. É besoura, tesouro, é panela vazia. É tesoura, é besouro, é panela vazia. Olho reluzente, olho comovente. Olho tem brilho de gente que entrega bagagem à luz do dia. Dona Maria quebrou seu espelho e pegou cada caco de vidro e colou no vestido vermelho rodado. E na mão carregava um candeeiro. Toda noite ela girava, reluzindo a luz da lua. Crianças acompanhava no passo alegrando a toda a rua. Ero, ero, olha meu candeeiro, ero, meu candeeiro, olha a luz do candeeiro, ero.
Yes, kids and kiddas, the two albums that we are presenting today, they are very rich in influences and in different kind of sounds that these bands are working on. So I suggest you guys look for the complete albums and listen to the whole thing, because it's a really nice experience, you know. The Badgers, they've been adding to the sound a lot of new things, and they're gonna play one here that has got a Turkish influence, all right, and the traditional Turkish Rabeka. I don't know if they call it Rabeka, right? But it is
like a violin.
Yeah, like a violin. Yeah. And so let's go. Em Si Menor by the Badgers, and after that song, we are going to play another one by E o Branco e o Índio. Get ready, Pedro.
Levei minha cabeça ao concerto, diante tantos tais, tantos erros. Perdi meu lado meigo e sereno. Ao menos eu cheguei no consenso. Joguei minha tristeza no relento de tantas mil ressacas e apegos. Nadei nas minhas mágoas sem medo. Levei minha cabeça ao concerto.
Kika Serra, did you feel like having your heart broken eating a kebab in Istanbul?
my heart being broken because the kebab wasn't as nice as we expected. One of our greatest disappointments. We love Turkey. We spent over a month there. We were there for 5 weeks. And,
kebab galore.
Yeah, exactly. And we're like, no, the ones in London are definitely better.
Well, we probably went to the wrong places.
No, we went to a few. I think I really do think it's one of those things like the Japanese food you eat in Brazil has nothing to do with what you eat in Japan and that kind of thing.
Let's call this Pedro. And let's close the show. Let's ask him.
Yes, we're approaching the end, so we want to play one last song by o Branco e o Índio. And we also want to know, as soon as he answers the phone, I will ask him about the new album, sort of. He mentioned earlier in the show that it's just out, that he just received them. So
where people can get hold of it.
Exactly. Hello. Oh, hello. So you mentioned earlier today, Pedro, that the new album is just released, that you've just received it, right? That it's just out.
What? I'm sorry?
The new album, the new record.
Yes.
And so tell our listeners how they can get hold of it. What do they have to do?
Well, we can visit our Bandcamp page, which is obrancoeoindio.bandcamp.com or something like that. And you can download it, can stream it, can download it for free. And the albums are, we got a distribution deal with Trattori, so the album should be available in stores around, not only in Brazil, but around the world.
Oh, Trattori distributes internationally too?
Yes.
That's cool. That's wonderful.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if a long time ago we made a Caipirinha Appreciation Society episode featuring a Curumim album just released. And so we didn't know what title to give it, that episode. And I said, Curumim means young Indian, or, a little young boy. So we called it Little Indian. And we were in a really difficult situation. People were really offended and wrote to us and said, So it's one of those difficult times. I wonder how you're going to translate to Branco e o Índio, white man and the male from...
Let's call it genocide.
Anyway, guys, enough. We're running out of time, so we're going to play one last song. Pedro, name it. Which one should we play?
Do you want a long or a short song?
It can be a long one. Long one.
Long one would be Releitura das Plantas Renováveis.
This is the one I don't have. Again. This is the one I don't have.
For some reason, MDC Swing, it doesn't have that one.
I have 11 tracks.
Okay, Super 881.
Okay.
Super 881. Okay, Pedro, thank you so much for taking part, part in this little experiment.
Thank you for interviewing me. I didn't say, I don't know, I wasn't very good, but I'm not really good live. I'd rather write it, but anyway, so much, and that was a great show. I'm honored to participate in.
Yay! Okay, so soon in a podcast near you. In the meantime, thank everyone else who's listening.
Super 881, o Branco e o Índio. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Possível sentimento em vão, impossível não sentir novo modo de partir já.
right, that was Super 881 by Branco e o Índio.
For a band that was totally noise experimental, they've moved a long way.
Yeah.
This was a perfectly fine pop song.
Pop song, yeah. But as I said, many textures and many experiments in both bands that we presented today. We experimented also with this single Phone Call. We forgot to say to Pedro that we are going to send the bill for the calls, isn't it?
Oh, of course, but it's on the mail. Okay, so we started this section with Igual Sem Igual by Cabeça de Panda.
Igual Sem Igual by Cabeça de Panda. That was followed by Aquele Cara by Tono.
Then we had Deserto by The Badios featuring Baiana System.
Next was Em Si Menor by The Badios.
And the last song we just heard, Super 881 by Super 881 by O Branco e o Índio.
Yeah, so this is the end of our show here. We will be back next Tuesday at 6 o'clock here in Barcelona, 3 o'clock in Brazil. And yes, I am MDC Swing.
I'm Kika Serra.
See you.